Okay, so now we're going to create the login sign up window, where you enter your email and all that stuff. So let's create a new screen first. So first of all, let's rename these. So this is going to be intro. It's going to be intro 1. It's going to be intro 2. You can double click here so it shows you what screen it is. So this is going to be intro 3. Whatever you want to name it, of course. So let's create a new artboard. Let's zoom out. Then the artboard is here. So for this one, you are going to need a keyboard interface, the one from iPhone. So you can actually find it in your assets. That's something we're not going to design. It's just something that we're going to use, the default one. So I put it in your assets. So go to File, Place, and then go to your Assets folder, and then there's a folder called UI, and then there's going to be a ton of files here. We're going to select keyboard. I'm gonna place it, and it's gonna be around here. Let's place it here. Boom, we have it. Let's put it on the bottom. Perfect. Let's check if everything's good. 0 on 34 on the bottom left. It's looking good. So now we want to add the fill forms, where you enter your name, your email, and your password. So we're creating the sign up flow. So let's put this one a little bit to the right, so it's a little bit separate from this. We can differentiate. So to do that, you're going to press Shift O, which would actually be here. The artboard tool is Shift O. So artboard tool, and then you can actually move this around. Let's Command C. Sorry, I was just wanting to show you how you can. And if you press Shift, that way you can move horizontally perfectly. Let's move around here. That way there's a difference between the intro and this sign up flow. Just so you visually, when you zoom out, you see the different parts of the story. So let's create our first one, our first field. So let's add this rectangle with the rectangle tool. We're just eyeballing it right now. So we want to add a stroke to this one. So let's use this one. Let's try this one, the gray one that we defined. It's a little bit too light. Let's use the black one. Good. So it's 1 pixel over here, the stroke weight. I like this. So let's check the height of this. It should be around the same height as the button, so it should be 110. So let's change it to 110. And let's change the height here. Let's change it to 665. And then on a line, let's align to artboard. Then select center. And perfect. Now it's aligned. So actually we want it to be 664. Sorry, the width. Let's align it to it. And okay, you're gonna hate me. So 660. Align it to the artboard. Is it aligned? Yeah, everything looks good. Okay. Now let's add some text, some helper text. So go to your text tool. Let's do it outside. So first we want the pipe, and I'm going to tell you why later. So let's put full name. Or should it be, I don't know. Let's say it's your username. put it around here. We want this to be actually regular. Let's make it a little bit bigger. I think this one was 48. No, it's actually 42. Let's keep it 42. So it's 42. Let's align it with this. Align to selection. And we're aligning it vertically. So let's select this one. And actually we want this to be paragraph. We want it to be aligned to the left. Sorry about that. Let's drag it over here. That's perfect. And let's duplicate it again. The same process, real quick. Dum and dum. We got it. Now this one, let's delete this because this is not going to be the focus. And this is going to be email. This too is going to be password. So good. So good, so nice. I think we need the logo here. So let's drag this one over here. Let's Alt and drag. That way we're duplicating. Doesn't look good there. Probably we want to change the color. So boom, we got our logo here. Select the artboard and then let's go to align to artboard. Center, and we have our pretty logo right here. And now we want a submit button. So let's just duplicate this one. But our submit button is going to be around here. But we want the submit button to be the other way around. So the fill is going to be this color. And then let's add some text inside. So go to your text tool and put enjoying. You know what? But first it's going to be enter details. I don't know why in a moment. So here, since details haven't been entered, it's like this. It's almost like a helper text, like, hey, you're not done, man. So we align it to the center over here. And this one actually is going to be, since the information has not been entered, this should be disabled. It should be a disabled button. So let's put it around 60% the opacity. Okay, that way it looks like, okay, this is not working. I need to enter something. So we have this. I like this. Now let's duplicate this. Yeah, we can actually duplicate artboards. Let's change the name up. Let's go to your artboards panel and let's put sign up. Sign up 1. And this duplicate. Let's do it a different way. I want to show you a cool way. So you go to Shift O, or you go here in your toolbar. You select this one, which is the artboard tool, and then the same way as you would duplicate an object, you can actually duplicate an artboard once you have the artboard tool selected. So you press Alt and see how it changes the pointer. That's nice. Alt and then Shift and then just drag it, and boom, we have duplicated the sign up window, the sign up screen. Oops, sorry. But on this one, we want to have all the information entered. So first of all, let's change this to actually 100%. And this one, the text is going to say, join Swaggy. We align it to the center. It's looking good. Let's put paragraph to the center. And then here, the text is actually going to be entered already. So I'm going to put Veronica Castro. Let's put Veronica's email. So it's going to be Veronica at Castro.com. Obviously, we want to change the color of this text. We want it to be active. Boom. And now let's change the password. So the password, I'm going to use bullet points. So it can be like this, or like this instead. I don't know about you. Just like bullet points like this. password, enter, we have our email, we have our name. We're ready to join Swanky. Congratulations, you have made your sign up form. That's pretty cool. Looks nice, right?